The goal is it wife approved?
It does sound better. Before it was too quiet.
Yeah!
And it's not too loud. So, not waking any neighbors.
Okay, we'll put the window down later, see if you still feel the same way.
Great.
Boxes from Summit are the best kind of boxes. Here. Oh yeah, look at that elbow. That's a good looking elbow. Time for the world's smallest muffler, banana for size. I may have overshot how loud I want this to be. What is installed on the truck right now, or what is the truck right now? This is a 1995 GMC Chevrolet, same deal. It has the 305, not the 350. Will that change sound that much? Probably not. But just so you guys know, this has got the 305 and it's also a stick shift. I point that out because stick shifts always seem to just sound better. Here's what the current and latest exhaust setup that we are gonna install is gonna be. We are still gonna have the headers. They're gonna come back basically to 2.5-inch pipes into a 2.5 by 3 merge collector, and then we'll go 3-inch through the catalytic converter, and then we're gonna go straight into this muffler. This is a Summit single chamber. I'll come over here, the part number is on here somewhere. You know what, I'll just show you the part number. This muffler can be had for less than $40, and then this is all 3-inch. So it's, 3-inch muffler in, 3-inch out, and then we're gonna exit out through a set of tips. And my game plan is to shorten the exhaust a little bit. So instead of coming out behind the rear wheel, we are actually gonna come out now in front of the rear wheel on the passenger side. So first things first, I'll throw the time lapse on. We'll go ahead, pull off the old system, and then get to installing this one. My first pie cut. I've never done this before. I'm only going to do one pie cut because I just need to make a quick bend. I'm not super worried about it being perfect. It's going to be hidden up underneath the truck. It's going to allow me to weld a piece like that and then another piece on the other side, and that's going to give me the bend that I need so that when I install this piece down here, it's level. Otherwise, what would happen is you'd have this pipe like this. It's coming down at a sharp angle. It's hard to tell underneath the truck, but it's a pretty sharp angle, and it would kick your exhaust tubing down like this. We'll tack it together and we'll see if we can make this work.